Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to create a Snapchat account in your mobile phone in just a few easy steps. First things first, go to the App Store or Google Play and download the Snapchat app. I'm using Android, so I'm opening the Google Play Store and download the Snapchat. I'm already downloaded, so move on to next step. Once you downloaded, open the Snapchat app. You'll be direct to the Snapchat main screen. Tap on the Sign Up button located at the bottom of the screen. For now, enter your full name, which name you want to display. And now enter your date of birth on the next screen. Remember, you must be 13 or older to use Snapchat. Choose a username that's catchy and easy to remember. This is your unique identifier name on Snapchat. You can only change it once a year, so choose carefully. Now enter a secure password that's at least 10 characters long. Verify your account. This is optional. But for now, I'm verifying my account with email. You can either enter your phone number. First you need to select your country. And enter your phone number and verify it with a code. You can add profile or also you can skip. There you have it. You've successfully created a Snapchat account and are ready to start snapping. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tip, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. To see more videos about Snapchat settings, click on the Snapchat playlist that appears at the end of the screen.